We'll check out what came in the yard while I was out of town. Check this out, man. I wasn't expecting it to be in this shape, or at least, you know, I was expecting already stuff to be taken off, because see, I was out of state when this thing dropped. I think on Friday. It's Monday right now. They're getting ready to close, so I'm gonna hurry up with this video. But yeah, and then, you know, they just had this. Oh wait, I don't think they did have a sale here. I thought they did, Thanksgiving sale, but yeah, 1980 Buick Regal. Not in bad shape, man. Not that bad of shape, man. I mean, could have been saved in my opinion. I mean, you know, she's a little rough, but still though, you know, I wouldn't have junked her. Let's check it out real quick. Take a quick walk around it. She got a little body damage. I think that was right there. It was caused by the yard. I'm willing to bet it was. Hood's got some hail damage. You can see missing the ornament up here. The grill looks good. Headlight bezels look all right too. Bumper actually doesn't look too bad. Although this crack right there on that bezel for the light down here. That fender looks good, man. Look at that. Heck yeah. You can see the I'm sure you can see the hail damage on it. 3.8 liter. She got a little bit of damage on this door, but I mean, shoot, usable. No cracks on the on the glass, the windshield. I think all the glass is good on this car. Like I said, you got hail damage up on top. You can see that. She had a quarter top, but not sure. She may have survived, man. Yeah, she may have survived this this vinyl top. A little bit of damage there. A little bit there. A little bit right there. Looks like these were changed out. Back bumper looks straight. A little damage there, but you know, I think missing the filler panel there. Yeah, I know the sun's behind me, man. It's golden hour right now. Tail lights busted, both of them actually. What does that say? Re-grease. Oh, regresas a su casa. ¿La qué? La iglesia católica. Oh, okay, that's in Spanish. Yeah, so return to your home, Catholic Church. Yeah. More damage here. She ain't a posse, man. Still got the Regal there. Yeah, man, I think she did survive this top, man. Yeah, I think she did. Connect it, damn. Oh, it didn't break. Yeah, that right there's the yard. That right there, no, that's the yard. Like I said, all the glass is good. You can see where it says 3.8 liter, I think, right there. It says Regal, I think. But damage here, damage there. Take a look under the hood. Obviously, we know what it is. In all her glory. Yeah. I was just hoping maybe the the radiator core support would have been aluminum, but man, you know, that would have been lovely. Anyways, take a look in the trunk real quick. Full set of the caps. I'm missing one of the deals here. It's got some rust in this area. Trunk, the deck lid does have some rust. I think some of these came in aluminum, these deck lids, I believe. This one obviously is not. And I want to say it interchanges with the Monte Carlo. Let's get the real quick the VIN on it. I know people like to see the VIN. I found this in the glove box. There is the VIN of it right there. And let's say I want to go back to the 90s, man. Look at that, 1994. Look at that. Check out how they used to. Yeah, man, it takes me back, man. That takes me back. The way them girls used to dress back in the day. Anyways, look underneath real quick. So, what am I at? 5 minutes, 5.5 minutes. Getting to be that time, man. Yeah, she's just a 7.5, man. No 8.5 under this one. No. Like I said, she's been sitting for a minute, boy. A minute. Floors are rusty. Ow. Maybe not this. Right here it is. And over there. Not sure there because it's got that cover there, that shield where a what do you call it? The catalytic converter goes. Now take a look quick inside the car. Manual, mold. She is funky up in here, man. Yeah. There's a mileage on it. You can see it. Believe that's real? Like I said, I got the keys to it. I can. Turn on, damn it. Nope. Got a little custom deal going on here. Yeah, she's funky, man. She's funky. Yes, she is. Headliner's gone. Yeah, sucks. This car sat for a long time. Let's look at the other side real quick. Door actually closed decent, though. Yeah. Yeah, not sagging or anything. You see that? Ooh, man, look at that, look at that, look at that. I already opened it. There's nothing in there. Nothing that, I don't know if I'm going to be able to open it. There you go. Got some pills, very old pills. I couldn't even make them out. And that's it, man. The dash is, I don't think it's cracked, but it's, oh yeah, we do have a crack over here. There it is, man. Just wanted to get a, how's that? These panels back here, but man. Actually, oh yeah, they took the carpeting off this one. That one still has it. But still not bad for the door panels inside. That'd be cool, though. Well, alright, man. That's gonna do it. I gotta get out of here. They're closing this place up. And, yeah. I'd say shame on this one, man. It could have been saved. It could have been saved, man. Alright, man. On to the next one.